Hello friends. Today my topic is a ultimate analysis. I already discussed two topic. Ultimate analysis means the determination of percentage of carbon, percentage of hydrogen, percentage of nitrogen, percentage of sulfur present in the coal sample. This is known as the elemental analysis. I already discussed. Uh, I will be completed before lecture. Determination of sulfur, determination of carbon, determination of hydrogen, determination of nitrogen by Zeldor method. Now today's my topic is in ultimate analysis part third, determination of sulfur by Carrier's method. And what is given coal sample ultimate analysis? Sulfur may be determined. Taken a coal sample in combustion tube and add a concentrate HNO3 and place these tubes in furnace. Maintain temperature 300 degrees centigrade up to 5 hours. And result: carbon convert to CO2, hydrogen convert to H2 vapor, and sulfur may be oxidized in sulfuric acid. So can I say in coal sample, carbon may be converted to CO2, hydrogen may be converted to H2, nitrogen may be converted to ammonia, but sulfur may be converted to H2SO4, sulfuric acid. And this mixture transfer in beaker, add a barium chloride solution, drop wise. Result: barium sulfate white color precipitate form. Can I say complete sulfur I will be convert in the form of barium sulfate white precipitate. This precipitate filter, wash, dry, and finally wait. What is this type of reaction? Sulfur atomic weight 32, presence of oxygen, convert to sulfate, will be oxidized, and adding a barium chloride, they convert to barium sulfate 233 is atomic weight, molecular weight. Weight of coal sample x ग्राम, वेट ऑफ बेरियम सल्फेट प्रेसिपिटेट ए ग्राम. जो प्रेसिपिटेट आया उसको हमने वॉश किया, ड्राई किया और वेइंग किया. मास ऑफ सल्फर 32 ग्राम सल्फर, 233 ग्राम ऑफ बेरियम सल्फेट कंटेन 32 ग्राम ऑफ सल्फर. 233 ग्राम, this is the molecular mass of barium sulfate. In this amount, sulfur amount is 32 gram. So then calculation will be a gram barium sulfate contains sulfur. Percentage of sulfur may be calculated by this formula. X is the weight of the sample. A, weight of the barium sulfate precipitate, dry, wash. 32, atomic weight of sulfur, 233, molecular weight of barium sulfate, and 100. If you determination of percentage of oxygen, 100 minus, we already defined, determine percentage of carbon, percentage of nitrogen, and percentage of sulfur, sum, and then 102 minus, they calculate the percentage of oxygen. Now, what is the significance of ultimate analysis? I already discussed 3 points: determination of nitrogen, determination of carbon, hydrogen, and sulfur. And proximate analysis maybe are different, and ultimate analysis or elemental analysis are maybe different. So can I say first will be determine the percentage of carbon. Percentage of carbon may be written in the coal sample. If higher percentage of carbon and hydrogen, calorific value of coal sample very high. And this percentage of carbon may be used to determine the category of coal ranking. I already discussed 4 category of coal: peat, bituminous, lignite, anthracite is the best quality of coal because percentage of carbon higher and higher calorific value. With the help of classification of coal sample. In case of presence of nitrogen is an undesirable element in the coal sample, no calorific value. But fuel may be contain nitrogen, is a no calorific value, undesirable element. So that good quality of coal having a low percentage of low nitrogen contain. But sulfur, they are more dangerous in the any fuel sulfur. Every fuel sulfur may be present, but they are more dangerous because after burning sulfur, convert to SO2 and SO3 gas, and more polluted gas in the atmosphere. And they are undesirable gas. Industries के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा गैस इंडस्ट्रीज में ये कोक बर्न होता है तो SO2 गैस निकलती है. तो फ्यूल में फॉर गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ फ्यूल, लो अमाउंट ऑफ सल्फर कंटेन because after sulfur burning we will produce in the atmosphere and more dangerous pollution problem are created. Now oxygen is a non-combustible element, no calorific value, but with the help of burning of fuel, so that good quality of fuel, lesser amount of oxygen may be contained. So today I will be fully discuss ultimate analysis divided into 3 lectures. First lecture deliver determination of nitrogen, determination of carbon, hydrogen. Second lecture deliver determination of nitrogen. And third lecture I will be deliver determination of sulfur by Carius method and oxygen, and what is the significance of this analysis, so that this topic is completed. And I will be next lecture deliver from the taken a cement. What is cement? Discuss already.